our January box to follow up with our January unboxing. So first, I really have been needing a facial oil, more so just so I can remove makeup. I ran out of my old one and I found this one here that Ipsy was giving. So you know how you can get I think it's 3 items that you get and you get to pick two. So the two that I picked was this one, and I'm going to show you here. I think I also picked a concealer. So this is the bottle. It's by Feel, and it says it's the Squalane, hope I'm saying that right, facial oil. And it's got vitamin C, reduces wrinkles, brightens skin, sugar-derived squalane. Oh, so that is a product in there. Okay. So yeah, you can use this to cleanse your skin daily. I don't really have dry skin. I have actually combination skin. So like I said, I'm really just going to be using this to remove hard makeup, like stuck on makeup, mostly eye makeup that I like to use it for, and see how it goes. So again, I did the sniff test here and there is no scent on that oil, so it's going to be perfect for me. I love unscented products for your facial skin. So let's go on right into our second item. I got a brush set here. So it's a set of 4. These are perfect because it actually matches the set that I already have. You know, after how many years, like I think it's been 5 years, you buy a kit and like slowly the brushes start disappearing, you know, between friends doing it, using your brushes, you know, you doing makeup for other people, whatever it is. I've just slowly seen my collection dwindle, so I'm glad. I had opted out of not getting brushes for a long time, but I just retook the quiz and opted in, and they sent me this kit that matches exactly the same color style that I already have. These are by Game Beauty. So again, it's a beautiful blending brush. I got 2 blending brushes, a nice little accurate brush here, and a liner brush as well. So those will definitely come in handy. And then I also have received a, oh, so we've got the Anastasia concealer. Now, I really have been skeptical, like all this time that I've ever gotten Ipsy. They've always sent me like the wrong shade of either concealer or foundation. So I was always like skeptical not to even go for those. I really needed some more concealer though. So your girl made her choice for her 2 items that you get to pick for the month. And I got this facial oil, like I told you, and I also opted in for this concealer. And let me just tell you, Anastasia Beverly Hills did her big one. I love this packaging for one. And the product actually matches my skin. I just did a color swatch here. You can't even see it. That's how accurate this is on the skin. I'll do it again here so you guys can see. I'm like so stoked. You guys have no idea. This product is super creamy but still light. So I know it's gonna work really well. And I'm just happy to have something that I know actually matches my skin. Like, oh my God, only our friendly friendly colored brown girls will understand what I mean by that, honestly, because there's so many shades and it could be a tinge too yellow, a tinge too red, but this is my exact shade and I'm super happy about that. So I'll definitely be making good use of that. I also received the Nabla Cupid's Arrow full, what is this, full color stilo. Okay, so funny story, I already use my like lip liners as eyeliner sometimes, or like eyeliners as lip liners. I already make them pretty much multi-use, but this item is specifically meant for multi-usage. So it says it on the product. It is a chunkier tip. So if you guys can see that, and it is meant to be like your liner, your lip liner, things like that. You can use it for pretty much whatever you want. But I mean, I think it's just cool. Like now they're fully taking on that role as knowing that people use them for multi-use, so why not call them that? I've been doing that for years, especially with this lip liner I have on now. It's actually an eyeliner, but I don't like brown eyeliner on me. So I just opt to use it as a lip liner, and I think it looks great. So yes, I will continue to do so. So on to our last item, so I don't talk your ear off for too long. I've actually already been using this item. This is the XXL Rodial Mascara in black. It's jet black. It's beautiful. And I love this product from the few times. I think I've used it 3 times now. I love, love, love this brush, the applicator brush on that. I love the product. It's super creamy, super smooth. Um, and I love using it as a like kind of binder protector on my natural lashes before I put on my falsies. So I'm one to always put on a mascara on my natural lashes so it acts as like a barrier between the glue and my natural lash whenever I'm putting on falsies. So this is the perfect product for that. It has the perfect jet black coloring. So I'm gonna go up close and personal with y'all, but I think it does a good job at hiding where my natural lashes end and where the fake ones begin. Okay? And that's the goal when you're wearing falsies. You don't want nobody like all up in your business looking and being like, whoa, we can see the difference there, boo. Like, try again. So, yes, I definitely love that and will continue to use that. So, yes, that makes up our January glam box. If you made it this far, you are a true baddie, and I love you so much. Please stick with me. If you enjoy this quick little unboxing review, give us a like, leave me a comment, let me know what you think. If you guys want to enjoy a discount code for your own to join the Ipsy community, I'll be leaving my code down below so you can get discounted rates on your first box. Or if you choose the bag is the smaller option. I always say for starters, start with the bag. Don't go full force into the full size items in the box until you feel comfortable with what you're getting in the bag first. So yes, and plus the cute little bags they make. I miss the little designs, I'm not gonna lie. Like I have so many of the bags from years before. I just save them and give them away as like little like birthday gift baggies, or like, you know, you can keep old like you know, cards and stuff in there, whatever. So, yes, if you've enjoyed it this far, stuck along with me, you are a true trooper. All right, I'll be back here shortly to review for February, and then we'll just keep the train rolling. All right, guys, thank you. Talk to y'all soon. Bye.